Most people think galvanizing is just a marketing word, but today we're going to show you both chassis side by side so you can see exactly what it does and why it matters. So starting off with your conventional chassis, although this one hasn't been painted yet, with whatever you paint it, this chassis is going to be your weaker version when it comes to rust, scratching, longevity and resale value. So this is not the way to go. Long term, we want to go this way, which is a hot dipped galvanized chassis. So they physically take that chassis, they dip it into a tank, it gets fully galvanized, everything is protected. We then assemble the caravan on that. It's once again rust resistant, scratch resistant. Your resale value will be far greater. Living at the coast, living up here, doesn't matter. It's not going to rust, it's not going to devalue your caravan. So although your cost in galvanizing is more, long term, your painted chassis is going to cost you money. If you ever want to resell your caravan, or even if you don't want to resell it, you're going to have to work on the chassis. You're going to have to prep it, you're going to have to sand it, paint it, and spend a lot of time on it getting back to what it should be. Whereas with your galvanized chassis, it's done for life. Thanks everybody for watching. For more content like this, please like, follow and share.